I just got off the phone with my wholesale supplier. If you guys don't know, I think close to 1 month ago, no, actually, yeah, it's probably in between 2 to 4 weeks ago, I placed my first wholesale order. So things are going not yet horribly wrong, but things are going bad, and I want to get you guys advice on what I should do from now, right? So just to give you guys a little bit of the timeline, and I'll put everything on the playlist on how things are on my wholesale journey. So yeah, things are fucked up a little bit right now, and I'm going to tell you. However, I don't know yet what I should do, but I'm not going to give you the name of the company, okay? Because I don't know if I should keep working with them, and I already paid a deposit, all right? I don't know if I should keep working with them or if I should expose them, because I don't think that there's only bad actors, but the reception actually like really, really suck, okay? And so I'm not going to put their name out there just yet. But I'm going to tell you guys, to ask you guys actually what I should do. So here's how it went. So 2 weeks ago, I placed my order like, I think it's like 3 weeks ago, something like 3 weeks ago, a little bit less than that, but like 13 days ago, I actually tried to follow up with the supplier because I haven't received, I paid, and no, actually, it was a couple of days after paying, okay? I don't know the exact timeline, I just know the exact timeline after what happened 13 days ago, which was my last follow-up. But like 13 days ago, I actually followed up because I made the payments, did not receive any acknowledgement of the payment, whatever. And so the supplier said, yes, we have received your order, whatever. I'll send you more information tomorrow, right? I've never received anything, and I waited. I waited 13 days because today it was 13 days ago. What I'm telling you was 13 days ago, right? So what happens is that 2 days ago, actually, I sent an email to try to get a hold of my rep to see what was going on. No answer, right? No answer. So what I did today is I sent an email earlier today, still no answer. And like right now, it's like when I ended the call with them, it was 4:30 p.m., right? So I'm going to tell you what's going on with them. So I'm pissed off. I'm not going to lie, I'm pissed off. And I really want to just ask for a refund for my deposit because this really pissed me off. But whatever. So, and I don't know if I should do this just yet. I don't have too much experience with wholesale, and this is why I want to ask you guys that know more about me about this thing, right? So, what happens? I called earlier today. I called. It was around. I want to say it was around 3:30. Around 3:30. Oof, and like the camera lost focus. Here we go. We're back. Around 3:30 I called, right? Around 3:30 p.m. Eastern time, because yes, I'm in Europe right now, but I'm talking Eastern time. I called. It should have been 3:30. Yes, I called and I was told, hey, call back. I gave them my PO number, and they said call back in 30 minutes. The receptionist said call back in 30 minutes. I'll give you an answer. They replied super super fast. So what I did 30 minutes later, I tried to call back the receptionist. No answer. I was transferred to somebody else. No answer. I tried to get a hold of my rep. No answer. And I never tried to call the rep directly. So yeah, usually I go through email, but it's been 13 days that I tried to follow up on my deposit and I haven't received an answer, right? So that's that. No, they said I don't have any order with that number. So can you check in your emails for a number starting with this letter and this number? Because whenever you make up the payment, the deposit payment, you receive something with these, like you receive a number starting with this. I checked every single email thread. I did Command F to try to find these numbers. I find nothing. And when I was on the call, I said, I checked. I haven't seen anything. So the lady said, I'm busy. I'm busy. Call back when you have the number. And she hung up on me for the first time. I'm saying the first time because this is not the only time that it happens, right? So she hung up on me. I said, like, I was baffled. I was like, is this for real? Like, is this for real? I literally paid you guys. And I understand that it might not be a lot of money. There may be people ordering for way more than I'm ordering myself, right? And like, I just like still, it's no reason to actually treat people like shit because I feel like this is treating people like shit. But whatever, I digress. So I was baffled, and I waited for a few minutes and I double checked. Me and my girl actually went through every single email to make sure every single email thread to see if we have this number. We don't, right? We didn't. So what I did is I called back around 4:20. I called back. I wasn't old for, and my timeline may be wrong, but it was like the call ended at 4:30 something, right? So 4:30 something EST, right? So I called back. I was on hold for a long time, and then the receptionist picked up and said, "Hey, she said, can you call back? Can you call back tomorrow because we're leaving right now?" And so I said, "Yes, sure," but I checked for the number that you asked me, and I don't have this number. And she hung up on me immediately for the second time. So here's my dilemma, and I don't even know to say that word. I'm pissed off. I don't want to think about that. But I'm not sure what to do. Okay, I'm not sure what to do. Should I try to get a hold of my rep a little bit more? Because I understand people like receptionists might not be the best person. They're just doing their job. Maybe they're underpaid, and they just don't care about their job. And I understand that, right? Still, I'm a little bit pissed off about that. But still. So should I just forget about that and try to get a hold of my rep a little bit more? Or should I just expose them and ask for a refund for my deposit immediately? Because like I've been treated like shit and I have no ETA on my order. What should I do? I really don't know what I should do because like to be honest, if it was just me, and it might be wrong because this is a relationship business, but if it was just me, like any other thing, I would burn bridges right now with them. Fuck them. I would burn bridges with them. But I understand that I need to mature a little bit and maybe wait a little bit and see how things are going to evolve. So it's not like I really care about $1,000, whether I get it back today, tomorrow, in 1 week. It's not going to affect me that much. However, well, it might, because I'm not going to lie, I have a lot of expenses right now for something that I'm working on. I have a lot of expenses, so I'd like to get those $1,000, but whatever. Let's forget about that. So what should I do? Should I say fuck them, ask for my deposit back, and if they don't want to give it to me, just charge back? Because this is why I actually did pay with a credit card, because I was worried of things like this with a new supplier. This is why I actually did that. So should I do that? Should I just say fuck them, expose them, just like I did with ShipDiff? Because my videos rank, okay? They don't have much going on with SEO, so whenever somebody is actually going to type their name, and I'm going to make multiple videos, so should I just make content on them, trashing them, and burn bridges? Or should I wait and try to get all of my rep because things might be different with my rep? What should I do? Let me know. Because I'm not sure. I'm really not sure what to do. I don't know if I should try to keep working with them because this is a really, really bad sign for the future. And I don't know if I want to do business with people that treat you like this and that, and do business with people that, because I'm spending money. You know, I'm spending money. I'm spending $4,000 on an order. I sent $1,000 as a deposit for my order, and like I get treated like this. I don't know. I really don't know what I should do. Let me know in the comments because yeah, I'm not going to lie. I'm pissed. I'm going to sleep on it still because it's late here. Okay, it's 10:58 p.m. I'm going to sleep on that and see. And I'm really pissed off because I'm not going to lie. I'm working on something right now, and every single day there's something pissing me off. So the wholesale business adding on top of that is too much for me right now. It's really too much for me. So I might really snap right now on these dudes, right? So yeah, I'm still going to sleep on it. Let me know what I should do. I'm not sure what I should do. But yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Let me know.